Okay, this is be a quick demonstration of how to change colors in SolidWorks. You wonder why. In the tutorials in the book, he doesn't ever have you change the colors, and so your flashlight is everything gray, and it looks real boring. So, kind of came to mind here. Our design's so monochrome. Well, probably doesn't know how to change the colors. So, I'm gonna take that boring thing from that and make it look like that. Kind of reminds me of a cheap trick show or something. So anyways, really simple to do in SolidWorks. All you have to do is a couple different options. You can right click on the part, anywhere on the part, and little color meatball comes up there on the pop-up. And you pull it down and you can decide whether you want to put color or appearance on just the face, on feature, the whole body, or the entire part. In this case, I'm going to put it on just the body there, which should be everything except those guys there. And I can go over here and grab appearances. In this case, I've got a texture, you have the things like that, or I can just change the color over here in the property manager and make it bright red or yellow or blue or green. And we have all kinds of different appearances over here, including organic things. I can make it look like a wood or plastic or you name it. For example, the checkered pattern there. And I can just drag it on there and say, okay, that thing's now all checkered like that. Now I can come back and then modify other pieces of it and just change the color. For example, I can just right click again on these, on one of the terminals there, click the pull down, and I'm just going to select the terminals. And in this case, I'm just going to make them bright red. Click OK. And then I want to make this top in recess facing here or something else. And so what I'm going to do is go up here to metal finishes, and I'm going to make that chrome. So I'm going to click on chrome, and there's chromium plate. In this case, I'm just going to drag it right onto that face. And then when this pops up, I'm going to tell it I just want it right there on that face itself. And it really doesn't look very much like chrome there when we're looking at it in this appearance. But if we go to actually do the rendering operation, that will be bright and shiny and reflective, and will look really cool. It will reflect images or things like that if you have. Now, anytime you want to remove the finishes, you can go over anywhere on the object. If you just right click on the battery over here, you can pull down the appearances tab, and you can remove all the appearances. There's a whole bunch of other options. We'll go later on in the semester. We'll show you a bunch of those. And anyways, make it look interesting, make it a little bit more fun to look at.